Hey everybody, I'm Beth and I want to welcome you to our bonus take and make craft for the month of May. We normally get 2, but Jenny gave us 3 because Memorial Weekend is kind of the start, the kickoff of summer for us here in Michigan, and it's almost like the beginning of the fun travel season, right? Now, a lot of us have been staying at home for a long time, so if you're one of the fortunate ones that has plans to get away and make use of our wonderful beaches and parks here in Michigan, yay you! And if you're one of us that's gonna stay home and kick back and relax and just enjoy being in our comfort zone in our cozy place, yay you! This is perfect for you either way you wanna go. It is a tic-tac-toe travel game, and it's going to be super fun. Normally, I know I do these a dry run ahead of time, but I'm feeling kind of full of myself today. We'll see if that pays or not. Jenny has given us this cute little tic-tac-toe bag, little linen bag. These little jewels or gems or flat marbles to use as our tic-tac-toe pieces, and a strip of vinyl lines. You should have 4 of them on there. And you're gonna wanna grab your own iron and set it to the cotton and linen setting, or if your iron's different and has cotton or linen, maybe halfway between. And normally we do most of our vinyl, our instructions say to do them on an ironing board. I normally, for the benefit of our program, do them on my kitchen table so I can show you guys what I'm doing, because my ironing board just wouldn't fit. Nothing fits. I have a tiny house, right? So I normally have a towel or a beach towel and I have it folded up quite thick and I iron on it that way. But because Jenny suggests a hard flat surface, what I did was I still took a bath towel, but I opened it up and it's just one layer because I don't have a hard flat surface in my house that I can iron on without damaging the finish on my table. So it's just not worth it to me. Might be a little harder or might take a little longer to iron on that vinyl to be able to put that pressure on, but that's okay because this whole project is going to be done lickety split. So what you're going to want to do is take those vinyl strips that you had and cut them apart. And I've already done that part. Okay, so that's the only part I did. I cut that apart. And you should have a piece of parchment paper. You're going to use that too. You're going to lay that over. If you're working on a hard surface and you have more than one of these guys, lay one under, lay one over. But I am going to put my first line. I'm going to grab my glasses really quick while I do this, make sure I can straighten it up. So I'm gonna put it, I'm just gonna lay these out flat first so I can kind of see how I want them to look. It gives you a nice visual, which I am a person that sometimes just really needs to have that in my life to make things go smoother for me. And they run almost the whole length of the bag, so don't be alarmed when they come almost out to either edge. Oh, that's cute. Look, and now you can kind of see what your finished product could look like. So I'm just going to very carefully pull these off because I still have my plastic backing. I can't just adhere them just like so. All right, hard flat surface, press iron, da-da-da-da-da. And the important part too is once you have part of it ironed on, you don't want to do that bare iron against this. I don't know. I'm feeling like I'm gonna fold this in half. Could be the best idea, could be the worst. Okay, here we go. Laying it on here. Jenny says firm pressure for 10 to 15 seconds. I turned my iron so the pointy end's facing me so that I can tell if it's covering everything, which it's just barely. So this might be a thing for you guys. Do one at a time because then you can cover easier. It has probably been 10 to 15 seconds because I talk a lot. Okay. Take this off, peel my paper off. I like to push down hard on my end where I'm gonna start. I'm gonna very carefully, oh yeah, you guys, this is so easy peasy. I love vinyl. It's so nice, so easy. Especially when the cuts are so good. Jenny's doing such a good job with this. Love it. Okay, peeps, we're halfway there. So I am gonna do the same thing. Grab these glasses so I can see things a little clearer. Line everything up just so. And I love this little marbly tie-dye thing she's got going on there. All right, love the adhesion so it'll stay on there and I can really check and see if I like the way that's looking. Might be a little crooked because I'm the one doing it, but you know, I'm okay with that. So I'm gonna lay my paper over again because I don't wanna get it on anything I've already ironed on. I'm gonna take my iron, lay it flat and press down 10 to 15 seconds. Not bad. This is a nice, quick little thing for you to be able to do. Won't really take any time at all. I think it actually takes longer for the iron to heat up than for you to do the whole project. And how fun, whether you're a parent with younger kids or even teens, or a grandparent with little people around, or it's just you and your significant other. This is a great thing you can just tuck right into your bag or suitcase, and no worries, it'll travel really easy and give you something to do. I know that when we travel, if we're laid over in an airport, we got stuck on standby this spring, I could have used this. So this will be a fun thing for you guys. You can, if you feel better about it, you can wait for everything to cool before you peel it off. I like to do it now because then I can see if it's not adhering. Then I can hit it real quick with my iron and pack my stuff up because I'm always on to the next thing. But if you're not, that's fine. Patience is just a virtue I don't really possess. So how cute. Now I have my little bags. I'm gonna put all my little tic-tac-toe pieces. And I am ready to go. Ready to go. Where are we gonna go? I know that first I'm gonna go to the library and load my book bag up or download my audio, download my magazines from Libby, put those on my phone or my tablet or device, and I'm gonna grab my little tic-tac-toe bag and head out. I hope you guys enjoyed this May bonus take and make craft. Thank you, Jenny. I love this little bag. I can't wait to see all the places I can take it with me to go adventure on. And you guys, make sure you're paying attention to what she's got cooking for the summer because lots of fun stuff. And you always need something tucked away, saved in reserve, held special for those days where the weather just doesn't cooperate with us. And thankfully, we have Jenny, who always has something super fun for us to do. She's gonna chase those summer blahs away, because yeah, we get those too, don't we? Hope you guys had a great time with me tonight. I hope you enjoy making this sweet little bag, and I hope that you have an even better tomorrow. I can't wait to see what Jenny has in store next. Bye.